Hello everyone and welcome to RG Dividends. So today we're talking about what is known as the secret sauce of investing, and it's called the rule of 72. So without further ado, let's close this. So this is our website, and if we go into our portfolio today, you can see that we're going to get £477. And how do I know when this amount here will potentially double? So if we look at the percentage that we're getting, so on this one is 27, 28, 21, 14. So let's just say, for argument's sake, we're getting 21%. So how do I know, using a simple calculation, what 21% as an income or as a yield is going to give me? So this is when the rule of 72 comes into it. So what is the rule of 72, and basically when does your money double? So the rule of 72 is the simplest and most powerful formula in all of investing. It tells you exactly how many years it takes for your money to double at any rate of return with a single calculation. So this is the formula: 72 divided by whatever your annual return is on your investment, and that equals your years to double your money. So as an example, if you're receiving 6% annual return, 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years to double. So why every dividend investor needs this? When you're building a dividend portfolio, compounding is everything. The rule of 72 lets you instantly visualize how powerful your yield and growth rate actually are, and why higher quality holdings compound faster than you think. So this is just for you to sort of visually see the rule of 72 in action. If you're receiving 4%, it'll take you 18 years to double. So have a look at your portfolio, or even your savings account. You're not even getting 4% if you're living in the UK. So it's going to take you almost 20 years to double your money. So you need to do something, especially if you're just sitting in cash. At 6%, it's 12 years to double. 8%, 9 years to double. 10% yield is 7.2 years to double. 12% is 6 years to double. So if we go back to our portfolio, based just on this 21%, you can see that if we just say 20%, it'll be like 3.5 or 3 years. This will double. So just on to this date, where I'm going to get 477, it'll be 900 and whatever, almost £1,000 in 3 years. So this is why it's so important. So, and this is why the growth income and high yield tiers of the dividend pyramid compound so powerfully when you reinvest. Your money isn't just growing, it's doubling on an accelerating timeline. So if we look at my portfolio, as you know, I've got 460,000 as of today. It generates 22,425 in yearly dividends, a blended yield of approximately 4.9%. At that rate, 72 divided by 4.9 equals 14.7 years. So let's say 15 years for the dividend income alone to double. So that's without me touching it, adding anything to it. In 15 years, it will double. So without adding a single penny of new capital, but add monthly contributions and dividend reinvestment on top. So all my dividends gets reinvesting, and the doubling timeline collapsed dramatically. That's why I reinvest every penny for the first actually it's been almost 8 years really. So the rule of 72 and dividend growth. It works for dividend growth too as well. So not just total returns. If a company grows its dividend by 8% per year, so 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years until the dividend payment itself doubles. So as of today, for example, if you buy Coca-Cola today at 3% yield, in 9 years, at 8% dividend growth, you're earning 6% on your original investment. In 18 years, it'll be 12%. That's yield on cost, and the rule of 72 shows exactly when you're going to get there. However, for those of you that are sitting in cash, this is the biggest warning, which is basically the inflation warning. The rule of 72 works in reverse too, and it's a warning about inflation. So if inflation is at 7%, 72 divided by 7 equals 10 years for inflation to halve the purchasing power of cash sitting in a savings account. So if you got £200 in 10 years, it's basically worth £100 due to inflation. So this is exactly why holding cash long-term destroys wealth, and why dividend investing with growing income that outpaces inflation is so powerful. So you always got this thing pulling you behind, which is inflation, but you're investing strategically, so that you're always a little bit, or basically got more percentage than whatever the inflation is. So if the inflation, I think, is at the moment sitting like at 3.5, or I think it is, if you're receiving 8%, well, your money's still growing. So this is the key takeaway for you guys. So remember that number 72 divided your return rate, so it's years to double. The higher yield equals faster doubling, but check the quality of the stocks. As I said, the higher yield in a pyramid, there is basically higher yield, but obviously you continuously need to keep an eye on the actual quality of what you're investing in. And then the dividend growth accelerates yield on cost over time. Reinvesting dividends compounds the doubling effect. Again, this is what I do. As I mentioned before, I reinvest all my dividends. So this today, they'll just be reinvested. Tomorrow, reinvested. Tomorrow, reinvested. Reinvested. At the moment, I'm not taking anything out. So bear that in mind. So reinvest dividends compounds the doubling effect. Inflation, as we mentioned before, halves your cash. Dividends protects against it. So this is your action plan. Just see if you can do this today. Now, I can guarantee you 85% of you will see this video and hopefully subscribe, like, and hit the bell button. However, you will not take any action and have a look at your whole portfolio and see what you're getting. Or even if you have savings account, have a look what you're getting. And now if you're getting 2%, it's not going to look good by the time you do your maths. Always remember that. So your action plan is to take your current portfolio value or monthly investment amount, apply the rule of 72, how long till it doubles at your current blended yield. That number is your compounding timeline, and every year you start earlier, you cut it shorter. Now what you saw, or what you're seeing here, is basically it's a module 3 of our new The Dividends Investors course, which I'm about to release to all the subscribers. Hopefully in the next sort of month and a half, you'll be able to access all of this. I'll just give you a little quick preview. So here you got the modules that you do. You'll get a certificate at the end of it as well. Our strategies, so the dividend pyramid, the water bottle strategy, your dividend income roadmap. So this hopefully helps you. There's a lot of information here, how you can build your portfolio using ISAs and blah, 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 blah. So I don't want to give it too much away, because it's still sort of working my live portfolio, so you can see everything I've invested in. Your dividend calculator, and then going down, loads of information. Okay, as I said, the main thing is to subscribe on YouTube. So you can go to YouTube and you can just subscribe it. And so I'm RG Dividends. You've been wonderful, and I'll see you on the inside. Cheerio.